Affiliate marketing tips that have been proven to work. In this day and age, there is not enough information that you can get in regards to affiliate marketing. You might not only need help making your own new decisions, but you may also need to solidify what you already know. This video should help you due to the clear and concise manner in which the information is provided. Define your goals before you start working if you want to achieve the best results. This is something all business owners have to do, and it doesn't change simply because your business operates online. Take your time and write down your goals and overall mission. Having something solid to aspire to will help you reach your destination. Use anticipation to build desire for your upcoming products. Preemptive marketing about the launch of a new product or service can build a need from a want. When used properly, this kind of marketing can drive massive amounts of traffic to your new product, which increases your sales positioning tremendously. Keyword tracking software can greatly enhance the effectiveness of affiliate marketing programs. Such software lets webmasters see which pages on their websites are visited by surfers looking for particular keywords. With this information, a website owner can tailor such pages to direct his or her visitors to affiliates that offer the products or services that will interest them most. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, avoid signing an exclusivity clause with your affiliate company. Signing this will prevent you from offering advertising from different companies on your website, and causing you lose out on new opportunities. A company that does not have your best interest in mind is not a company you want to work with. In conclusion, you cannot get enough data about affiliate marketing. Hopefully you were able to clearly absorb all of the tips and tricks provided. With the details provided in this video, you should be able to not only make wise choices on your own, but also be able to provide others with beneficial information. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.